Hello, student. Good morning to all of you. So far we have completed chapter number 5, that is admission, and chapter 6, retirement, keeping in mind your fourth unit test exam, okay, which will be there in this week. Now, as you all are noticing, so keeping in mind the time limitations, હું અત્યારે તમને જે રિટાયરમેન્ટમાં ખાસ કરીને સમ્સ કરાવ્યા that were limited 3 to 4 sums, but I am sure that it is going to be very much useful, okay, for your unit test if you are practicing all 4 sums. Two or three somewhat difficult sums, what I have decided that we will practice it here in the classroom, okay. So it does not mean that if I am starting a new chapter, that is dissolution, that means the retirement chapter is completely over or completely completed. It is not like that. So when we restart, okay, probably on 22nd of November, it is in my mind that which sums I need to explain you on the board. So it's not like we immediately begin with second part. First part માં જે બી ચેપ્ટર્સમાં અમુક જે મને લાગે છે કે જે I have not justified properly on online lectures, એ પાર્ટ જે છે હું તમને ફરીવાર કરાવીશ, એડમિશન્સ, રિટાયરમેન્ટ અને ડિઝોલ્યુશન્સના બી. અત્યારે જે હું તમને સમજાવું છું, બરાબર, that is keeping in mind your this unit test exams, okay. So you prepare it accordingly. Now the last chapter in the part 1 is dissolution of partnership. Now the meaning of dissolution is what? Dissolution means closing down of business. તમે ટેક્સ્ચ્યુઅલ મિનિંગ તમે સમજવાની ટ્રાય કરો. તો ટેક્સ્ચ્યુઅલ મિનિંગ તમે જુઓ પેજ નંબર સેમ પેજ ઉપર, એટલે કે 275 ઉપર ડિઝોલ્યુશન્સ ડિસ્ક્રાઇબ કર્યું છે. હાઉ ઇટ ઇઝ ડિસ્ક્રાઇબ્ડ. Dissolution means end of existence. Here dissolution is to be studied in the context of dissolution of partnership and partnership firm, where two issues are considered. There are two types of dissolution: dissolution of firm and dissolutions of partnership. Now what is dissolution of partnership and what is dissolution of firm? There is a difference. બે વચ્ચેનો ડિફરન્સ શું જુઓ. વેન અ પાર્ટનરશિપ ફર્મ ક્લોઝ ડાઉન ઇટ્સ બિઝનેસ ઓન અ પરમનન્ટ બેઝિસ, ઓકે, it is known as dissolution of partnership firm. In brief, when running of firm is closed down and business activity are closed, it is called dissolution of partnership firm. અને એક ફર્મ પરમનન્ટલી ક્લોઝ થઈ જતી હોય, that is called dissolution of partnership firm, okay. This is firm's dissolution. Now what is partnership dissolution? When except one partner, all partners get separated. જો કે આમાં તમને firm's dissolution સમજાવ્યું છે. This is also an end of partnership. If this continues, one partner will become the owner of sole proprietorship firm. In this case also partnership firm get dissolved. When running of business is sold to a joint stock company, this is also called dissolutions of partnership. So partnership firms dissolution means what? કે business તમારો ક્લોઝ થઈ જાય, પાર્ટનર્સ એકબીજાથી સેપરેટ થઈ જાય. Now in the eyes of laws, બરાબર, how the dissolutions of firm and dissolution of partnership is defined, that we will try to understand. So what is dissolution of firm and what is dissolution of partnership? એ બે વચ્ચે સમજજો. As per section 39 of Indian Partnership Act, when all partners get separated through dissolution of firm that bring end of their partnership, it is known as dissolution of firm. In this manner, when partnership is dissolved and close down the firm, it is dissolution of firm. The business of the firm is closed down in these circumstances. As a result of dissolution, liabilities of firm are paid from the realization of the sale of asset. From the remaining surplus, capital of partner is redeemed as per their contract. So when the entire business of firm is sold, this is also called dissolution of firm. તો ઇન શોર્ટ તમારી બધી અસેટ્સ તમે વેચી દો. ઓકે, ફ્રોમ ધેટ we pay all the liabilities and then the business is permanently closed down. That is called firm's dissolution. Now what is dissolution of partnership? So when business is not closed down due to retirement of partner, death of a partner, insolvency of a partner, or due to any other reason, and the remaining partner keep business continuous, it is dissolution of old partnership. Dissolution of partnership means old partnership પૂરી થઈ અને new partnership start થઈ. Except outgoing partner, remaining partner keep business continuous. Consequently, new partnership take place. Generally, the proportion of partnership change between continuing partner. In these circumstances, partnership firm does not get dissolved, but new partnership comes into existence due to reorganization of partnership. So this difference will give us clear idea what is the difference between two dissolution. એકમાં શું છે કે ફર્મ બંધ થઈ જાય છે અને બીજામાં ફર્મ કન્ટિન્યુ રહે છે, આટલું તમે સમજી લો. When firm is dissolved, business is permanently closed. When partnership is dissolved, business is not closed down, but old partnership comes to an end and new partnership comes into existence. તો આ એક ડિફરન્સ તમે જોઈ લેજો. Now what exactly we are going to learn in this chapter is 3 points. एक तो methods of dissolution, legal provisions and procedure. Now methods means how to close down the firm. So there are two methods. એક normal dissolution, એક dissolutions by court. બરાબર, આ બે પોઈન્ટને એલાબરેટ કરો theoretically. Now what is normal dissolution? So as name suggests કે the dissolutions which is done without interference of court. Okay, through any of the following methods, partnership firm dissolved without interference of court means court's interference is not required over there. So એમાં there are 5 methods. Number 1, by agreement. So when all partners agree to dissolve the firm, partnership firm can be dissolved at any point of time. It is known as voluntary dissolution. આ સૌથી પહેલી મેથડ કહેવાય, સૌથી સિમ્પલ, કે બધા પાર્ટનર્સ ભેગા થઈને ડિસાઇડ કરે કે ફર્મ ડિઝોલ્વ કરવી છે એન્ડ દે ડિઝોલ્વ ધી ફર્મ. સેકન્ડ, ડિઝોલ્યુશન એઝ પર કોન્ટ્રાક્ટ. Dissolution of partnership firm can be done on the basis of predetermined contract between the partners. એ લોકોએ પહેલેથી નક્કી કર્યું હોય કે ક્યારે ફર્મને ડિઝોલ્વ કરવી છે. ઓકે, dissolution as per act. In following condition there is a compulsory dissolution by act. જો આ બેમાંથી કોઈ સર્કમસ્ટન્સીસ થાય તો ફર્મનું કમ્પલસરી ડિઝોલ્યુશન્સ કરવું પડે. કઈ બે સર્કમસ્ટન્સીસ? When all partners of firm become insolvent or except one, all partners become insolvent. બરાબર? When business of firm become illegal, this also brings dissolution of partnership. જો આ બે સર્કમસ્ટન્સીસમાંથી કંઈ પણ થાય તો ફર્મનું કમ્પલસરી ડિઝોલ્યુશન્સ થાય. પછી dissolution on happening certain contingency. If constituted for fixed term, by expiring of that term, if constituted for specific aim, by completion of that aim, that is called કંઈક તમે એક એમ સેટ કર્યો કે ભાઈ this partnership is to build a particular project, છે કોઈ બિલ્ડિંગ કે બ્રિજ. તો એકવાર તમારું એ પ્રોજેક્ટ પૂરો થયો એટલે ફર્મ તમારી જે છે એ બંધ થઈ જશે. એન્ડ નંબર 4, ડિઝોલ્યુશન્સ બાય નોટિસ. વેર ધ પાર્ટનર ઇઝ એટ will, the firm may dissolved by any partner giving notice in writing to all other partner of his intention to dissolve the firm. The firm is dissolved as from the date mentioned in the notice as the date of dissolution, or if no date is mentioned, as from the date of service of this notice. The firm can be dissolved by giving notice also. Okay, so this is the method of normal dissolution. Our dissolutions by court, એટલે કોર્ટ ક્યારે ઇન્ટરફિયરન્સ કરી શકે ફર્મના ડિઝોલ્યુશન્સની અંદર? When any partner file a suit for dissolution of firm on any of the following ground and court orders the dissolutions of firm. ઘણીવાર શું થાય કે નોર્મલ ડિઝોલ્યુશન ઇઝ નોટ પોસિબલ, તો કોર્ટ ઓર્ડર આપી અને ફર્મનું ડિઝોલ્યુશન્સ કરાવી શકે. In which circumstances? When any partner become of unsound mind, when partner become permanently incapable, when a partner undertake misconduct against partnership firm, okay, when a partner willfully and persistently breach the partnership agreement, when a partner transfer his whole interest in partnership to third party without consent of other partner, when firm continuously incurs loss and is not unable to run business due to loss, and when the court, okay, when the court find any other ground to be just for the dissolutions. Okay, so if these circumstances happen, then court can give the order of dissolution. Okay, તો શું થાય, કોઈ પાર્ટનરે કેસ કરવાનો રહે, court will go through the case and court will give the order for dissolution. So this is how dissolutions can take place. So this is first point. Now in next point we will discuss legal and other provision. આ હું તમને કાલના લેક્ચર્સમાં મોકલીશ. Okay, thank you.